Emirates 139 Super, establish localizer ILS.
Emirates 139 Rosnia Tower, hello. Emirates 139 runway 24, clear to land, wind 310 degrees, 6, maximum 12 knots.
That's wrong, runway 24 Emirates 139.
Emirates 139 Rosnia, ground, hello, taxi behind, follow me car via Lima, Golf, Juliet and 14 Alpha.
Lima Golf, Juliet 14 Alpha, we follow the car, Emirates 139.
Emirates 139 Ram, you will be stopped in front of taxi hotel and will be told to stand.
2.1 for Alpha, Emirates 139.
Thank you.
Ground, hello again, Emirates 140 Super, taxi. Emirates 140 Super, hello again, roger. So, give way 737 from the left, then taxi holding point runway 24, taxiway Golf and Alpha. Give way to 737 on the left, taxi 24 Golf Alpha, Emirates 140. Yes, sir, Golf and Alpha. Confirm, Golf and Alpha, must be my Canadian. Emirates 140, when ready, contact to the tower 118.110, have a good day. 118 was Emirates, 110 Emirates, 140, getting. That's tower, good afternoon, Emirates 140 Super, fully ready, 24.
Okay, Emirates 140 Super, Rosnia Tower. Emirates 140, line up runway 24.
Line up 24, Emirates 140.
Emirates 140, runway 24, clear for takeoff, wind 330 degrees, 7 knots, goodbye.
Clear takeoff, runway 24, Emirates 140, have a nice day.
Great.